Done.
My name is Lars Bøgeskov Hyttel from Denmark. I have been the pleasure to participate in this very interesting and relevant conference regarding NPC, environmental sustainability and climate changes. We have had the possibility of listening to a lot of interesting speakers and get a lot of information. Me, myself, I had the possibility to make a speech regarding how we are improving recycling, how we are improving sustainability, and all of this is my conclusion that a conference like this, with contains like this, all the speakers and all the interesting topics, it should be definitely be not repeated but continued, because I understand and I see a lot of inspiration presentations, also focusing at some issues which should be improved, and the improvement is necessary for all of us as human beings, as representatives from universities and companies, because or else we will never achieve a better sustainability balance and never obtain the goal, which is to improve the environment, to improve the sustainability for us, for our children, for the world. Thank you.